everybody, welcome to Crafter Story. It's Celeste here. Thank you for stopping by. So I live my life with little notebooks and notes because it's the one way I can stay organized. And so I've probably given away my secret a little bit because over there is how I made these. So it's dirt easy, guys, seriously. And what I love about these is that they are easy to make, quick to make, very inexpensive, and great gifts, especially stocking stuffers, which is what I'm doing now. I've made these as stocking stuffers, and I need more. I need quite a few more. So let me show you how I do that. So let me just put these guys aside. It's dirt easy. I have already gone ahead with this one. I've glued this end, but what I decided for my next few is that I didn't want notebooks quite as long. I just wanted them half size. And so for that reason, instead of just gluing the one side to make the end of the notebook, I am going to glue both sides and then cut the book in half this way and then in half that way, and that way I get 4 notebooks out of this one composition book. I actually have another one standing on the side here that I've just done, and that one I think I'm going to do the minis as well for. It just means that I can get 4 little notebooks out of one composition book. I'm running out of a little bit of time, which is another reason for that decision. I'm cheating a little bit, I suppose. This is open. Let's see. Okay, like that. I just think they make great little stocking stuffers. Or if you're just wanting to add something to a basket of gifts, especially if it's stationery gifts, this is a great addition that you can add. Okay, so I've got that. And what I normally do with this is I'll put down one layer of my glue, let it dry, and then I'll come back and I'll put another layer down because I just want to make sure that the glue caught every page and that I don't, it doesn't kind of pull apart on me while I'm decorating. And if I have a double layer of glue, I feel like I won't run that risk. Okay, so I'm holding it all together. That's great. I'm going to just, it's going to run on me. Do I have another one? I don't have another one. All right, I'm just going to hope it doesn't run on me. So all I'm going to do at this point, once that glue is dry and I've done my second coat, I'm going to get some decorative paper. I'm going to paste some decorative paper on both sides, front and back. And then I'm just going to take, on my cutting mat where I can measure, I'm going to cut down the middle here, go across, cut across the middle there, and in that way I will have 4 little books. And after I have cut it, let me put this guy down. After I've cut it and I've got the nice pretty paper on both sides, I usually take a piece, either just some book pages. This one I've got material, this one I've just got some book pages, and there I put a little bit of gold paint. I put some ink on the edges to age it a little bit, and there's no wrong or right way to decorate these. Whatever you feel is, what you feel like you want to do at the time. So guys, just a quick little tutorial. I'm not even sure it was a tutorial. It was more like a show and tell of how you can also make your own little notebooks. They are super easy and so many pages because those composition books are 100 pages. So lots and lots of writing space, journaling space. And if you make the minis, easy to pop into a Christmas stocking or just into a little stationery gift bag. All right, you guys, thank you so much for popping around and sticking sticking around, I suppose, popping around, sticking around, and sharing this craft with me. And I'll see you next time. Bye.